this tutorial, we will explore the different sounds using in English, how they are pronounced, and which letter represent them. We will learning to recognize and practice common sounds, such as those vowels, consonants, which help us improve pronunciation and understand in English. The importance this tutorial understanding and practice the sounds of English essential for learning the language effectively. These now are facilitate the correct pronunciation of words, but also help children communicate better and understand what they're
I'm
here.
going to present phonetics, the organs of speech. Lips help create sounds like p, v, and m. For example, the word ball starts with a lip sound. Tongue. It may sound like t and d by touching the roof of the mouth. Teeth. Used to produce sounds like f and r. For instance, the f sound is fan. Vocal cords. This vibrates for voices like sounds in th, or stay apart avoid sounds like in c. Lungs. Provide the airflow necessary to speak. The air comes out and is shaped by the other organs to create sounds. Of organs of speech. Active articulator. Tongue. T, t as in time. The tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. K as in kite. The back of the tongue touches the soft palate. Lips. P, p as in pat. Lips come together. Soft palate. As in sink, the volume lowers to allow air through the nose. Passive articulator. Alveolar rig. For example, sounds like t, d, s, and z are produced by the tongue making contact with the alveolar rig. Teeth. The sound is processed with the bottom lips coming into contact with the upper teeth.
Of the phonics. With the detector of the phonics we see. Number 1. Articulatory phonics. The study of how people use their speech organs to produce speech sound. For example, the sound P in the word pack. Your left close slightly. Pack. Pack. Your teeth don't touch but they stay apart. Pack. Pack. Your tongue stays low and doesn't move. Pack. Pack. The roof of your mouth hears the sound, but you don't feel it. Pack. Pack. It stays in the back of your throat, don't moving. Pack. The sound goes throughout your mouth, not your nose. Pack. Pack. Your throat vibrates because your cold vocal move. Pack. Number 2. Acoustic phonics. The study of how speech sounds travel from the moment they are produced by the speaker person until they reach on hear on the listener the other person. For example, when you say hello, hello, the sound moves through the air to reach sound one heard here. Auditory phonics. This study the reception and response to speech sounds mediated by the ear, auditory nerves, and the brain. For example, when you hear someone say talk, when you hear someone say talk, and ears hear the sound and the brain feature and it means dog. Okay? The production of speech sounds. Speech sounds are the sounds we use in our languages to make work. Each speech sound is made slightly different. Example of speech sounds: P, B, N, T, S, L. For example, for the L sound, you would slowly move your tongue at the T, spoke and then back at down again. For example, You can use a mirror to show your chill and the difference between a curved tongue and flat tongue. Okay, the verb at the end of work is a different type. For example, call, call, call.
The basic speech anatomy lowers the diaphragm. The vocal cords located in the larynx vibrate I are passed through the generally the bassest sounds of the voice. The larynx adjusts the pitch based on the tension of the vocal cords. Now, we will do the exercise speaking and a low tone like do and then high tone like see to emphasize how the vibrations change in the larynx. The basic speech anatomy of the tire. Higher structures such as the tongue, lips, and teeth, and the palate shapes the sound process in the larynx to the forms and the different phonetics and sound of speech. You can pronounce the word pa and then ka and you say how the positions of the tongue and lip change. This is the space between the vocal cords and contrast divisions, and a flow defines the whatever a song is voices vibrating or voices no vibrations. You can say them notice how your throat vibrates on the second sound voice and not on the first voice. Vocal folds. The vocal folds are muscles that open and close the produced sounds. The vibrations frequently determine the tone and the amount of air passing through this regulates the volumes. For example, um, now we are going to just whisper the word hello and say it out loud and dice. How the amount of air in the vibration is determined. Hello.
Hey guys. So I'm going to present a quiz right now. Let's see what you said about this quiz. Okay. Okay. Here we go again to the other questions. To the other question. Okay. So what do you think about this one? True or false? The speech occurs when the brain and speech work together. Do you think this one is false or this one is true? What do you think? This what do you think? So yeah, it is the next. Let's see the response. Let's see the correct question. I'm going to give you 2 or 3, 4 more seconds, and then I'm going to tell you the correct answer. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. It turns out to be true, correct, for those who respond correctly. This is very good. Let's go to another question, which might be much more interesting. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the other one. What are the organs of speech called? I'm gonna give you a couple, let's see. Okay, what do you think? Is it the throats, the sounds, the vocals, or the the A question, the articulations? What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple seconds if you want to guess it, and then 3, 2, 1. Well, we see that it turns up to be A, articulations. Very well. Nice job, guys. Let's continue. And this is the last question. Let's see how you're responding. This is a multiple choice one. What is the speech production? The movement of your tongue, the corporal gesture. It's when the mouth make noises, or it's when the thoughts are transferred into speech. What is it? What is it? Okay, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's figure it out. And it turns out to be, yeah, the A, when the thumbs are transformed into speech. Very well job. This is a good job. Okay, very well done for the ones who respond well. This was a good quiz. This is just to train your mind about this topic, about articulations, and all the topics that have been discussed in this video. So I hope you like it. And
In this tutorial, we explore the organs of speech, which are the parts of the body we use to produce sounds, such as lips, tongue, teeth, palate, and vocabulary cords. We're learning that activity articles move to form sounds, while passive articles prefix facts surface. The understand on how sounds are produced is the key to improve pronunciation and learning new language. Phonetic, which study the sound, help us communicate more clearly. Thank you for seeing this video. See you again.